Hello. In this video, I'm going to show you what to do if your headphones are not being detected on your LG G6. First, let's go over wired headphones. If you're using wired headphones with the mini jack port, you may want to see if the port is not dirty. It's right here. If it is, you could consider using some compressed air to try and blow in it to dislodge the thing that is stuck in there, or using some non-metallic tools to try and get whatever is in there out of it. Just be careful not to damage the port. Another thing you could try is if you're using wired headphones through the USB-C port. If you're using an adapter, you may want to consider checking if the adapter works by trying it out with some different devices in some different use cases, or just using a different adapter, or just cleaning the charging port too, because dust can block the connection and other things could also be interfering with it. Another thing you may want to consider is to restart your phone. You do so by pressing and holding the power button and then choosing the power off and restart option. Another thing you can of course try would be to boot into safe mode. Again, press and hold the power button, and then press and hold the power off option, then press turn on. This will reboot your phone into safe mode, and where you'll be able to make sure it's not some third-party app interfering. And then to get out of safe mode, you'll just have to restart your phone like normal. Another thing you can try would be to try and test it out with another pair of wired headphones. It could be just that your current headphones are broken. Also, you might want to check if your headphones aren't dirty on the connection too, because it doesn't have to be dirty on just the phone's side in order to not work. It could also be that the speakers in your headphones are also somehow clogged or something like this, so you could check that out also. And now, if you're using Bluetooth headphones, the first thing you may want to consider is to, of course, try and turn Bluetooth on and then off again. Just switch it off and then back on again. If your headphones are still not being detected, that might mean that your Bluetooth headphones might just be out of charge. So try to put them into their charger, and make sure that if they're in a case, the case is also charged. Another thing with Bluetooth that you can try is to, if you were before connected with them, as you can see right here, I'll try to connect with some earphone. I'll try to connect with some, these ones. If you were, sometimes when you click on some random device, it might get it stuck a little bit. So if you were previously connected with them, and then later on they didn't seem to connect when you take them out of their case or anything like this, you can try to tap on this icon and unpair, and then try to pair with them again once they are out of their case. Just try to pair with them again. But if this doesn't work, then you can also do a simple thing, just resetting network settings. Go into settings, general, here scroll down to backup and reset, network settings reset, reset settings, draw your pattern or input your password, and then reset settings again. This will forget all the networks you had to connect it to, reset your mobile data settings, and everything else related to network settings. Also unpair you from all of your devices. So now you can try pairing with your device again. If this still doesn't work, remember the issue might not be on the side of your phone. You can try with different headphones. If it still doesn't work even after a change of headphones, that might mean that the issue is on the side of your phone, but if it does work with different headphones, that might just mean that your current headphones are just broken. So that's it for this video. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.